Have you heard of this Impossible Burger, Impossible Meat stuff going on?
Yep.
Did you try it, by the way?
No, I want to.
Okay, so they got it at Burger King, right?
Oh yeah, I heard about this.
They got it at Burger They got it at Burger King. And but not every location. They got it at certain Burger Kings, but it's listed on like their you can order. What is it called? It's like it must be like an Uber Eats type of thing.
Skip the dishes?
They say Seamless page. Well, I don't know what Seamless is. Is that another way to order food? Anybody know? So anyway, they had it listed on this order form in this app. Listen, you can order this Impossible Burger in New York, but the Impossible Whopper wasn't in New York yet. So the manager that was getting these orders was like, I don't have the Impossible Whopper yet, so I'll just send them a regular Whopper. So this guy didn't not take the order. He just sent the meat burger to the vegetarians. They were like so excited. Like, I'm going to try this Impossible Burger. I can finally have a burger. And this guy was like, oh yeah, we'll see about that. I'll take your money and send you a cow. Now, the interesting thing about this story to me, I mean, first of all, like, why does this manager, it's funny, obviously, but like, why do you need this order? Like, you're Burger King, you got orders, I don't know. You need every single one of these orders. You can't wait for your own Impossible Burgers to show up. First of all. Second of all, how did these vegetarians know right away it was real meat? You see? What does that say about the Impossible Burger? Like, how can it be a one-to-one replica? How can it be impossible if every vegetarian that got this real burger was like, that's a real burger? Right away, they took a bite. Nah, that ain't impossible. That's a real burger. Because maybe it's not so impossible. Maybe you can tell right away. I don't know. Yeah. I got to try it, but it's an odd place to be in. You're a vegetarian. You don't want anything to do with cows. You still want a burger, sort of.
Yeah, they start eating it.
You know what I mean?
Ordering more.
They got, who knows? Maybe he's trying to get them hooked on the real thing. Let them know.
Yeah, maybe that's the plan.
He wants to let them know what they're missing. Yeah. You know? So, I don't know. People are unhappy. Look, I feel for you. There's a lot of reasons people don't eat meat well. There's religious, there's cultural, there's health related. Some people can't have it. So, everybody has a right to be upset if they didn't order it and they got it. But it does say something. This stock for this Impossible company is skyrocketing. People are amped for this plant-based burger. So they must be doing something right. People are ordering it even when it's not even really available yet. They just want to try it so bad. So it's there's something happening. We're going to have to try it out. Maybe we got to make a video. I don't know. Because I'll tell you one thing. I'll get right down to the bottom of it. I'll let you know how impossible it actually is. Or if it tastes like I'm chewing on a barrel of hay. Hay doesn't come in a barrel, though. Hay comes in a stack. Hay comes in a bale.
Bale.
Hay bale. So maybe I'll be chewing on a hay bale.